Mistplay units usually fail to convert because the reward redemption system is still verifying your earned units, or your account activity hasn't fully synced with Mistplay's servers. By the end, you'll know why units stop converting, how Mistplay processes redemptions, and the exact fixes that usually get everything moving again. Start with how conversion works. Mistplay units don't convert instantly the moment you earn them. They first get recorded in your account history, and then verified by the system. Now explain what that means. This verification step checks if the units were earned through valid gameplay sessions. Now, explain the first issue. If your gameplay tracking was interrupted, units can stay stuck in a pending state. This often happens when you close games too quickly or switch apps during a session. Now, explain the first fix. Always launch games directly through Mistplay, and let sessions run normally without interruptions. Now explain the second issue. If Mistplay has not fully synced your account, units may not update or convert properly. Now explain what to do. Close the app completely, reopen it, and refresh your account dashboard. Now, explain cache problems. Corrupted cache data can also block proper unit conversion. Now explain the fix. Go into your phone settings, find Mistplay, and clear the app cache. Now, explain connectivity issues. A weak or unstable internet connection can stop units from syncing. Now explain what to try. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to confirm if syncing starts working again. Now, explain device restrictions. Battery saver mode or background restrictions can interfere with real-time tracking and conversion. Now, explain the fix. Turn off battery optimization for Mistplay so it can run in the background normally. Now explain another factor. Some units appear delayed because they are still processing in the background system queue. Now, summarize the core idea. Mistplay units not converting is usually caused by tracking interruptions, sync delays, or cache and connection issues. Most problems are solved by refreshing the app, clearing cache, and making sure gameplay is properly tracked. And consistent, uninterrupted gameplay is what keeps units converting smoothly. One practical next step, but key. Clear your Mistplay cache, restart your phone, and reopen the app before starting a new game session. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes that explain exactly why these issues happen and how to fix them fast.